Prosecutors maintained from the beginning that this grandfatherly-looking man was guilty of more than just the 2 counts of child molestation listed in his indictment. They painted a picture of a desperate person who approached young white boys on the street and in the home of another man and offered them money if they would allow him to perform oral sex on them. 6 boys were marched to the witness stand to tell of their relationship with Hardy. A 12-year-old told of posing for nude Polaroids and of submitting to sex with Hardy on 30 occasions for $15 each time. A 14-year-old said he had been having sex with Hardy since he was 9. At first, he was paid 25 cents. In his closing argument, Prosecutor Wallace Speed reminded the jury of the 114 stacks of nude pictures he had shown them yesterday, each stack photographs of a different boy. He called the photos the defendant's mementos. Speed characterized the boys as poor, disadvantaged, children who could not resist the lure of money that Hardy held in front of them. He said the issue was not homosexuality, but children, our children. Hardy's attorney presented no defense, but he tried to convince the jury that his client suffered from an affliction, as he called it, pedophilia, the desire to have sex with children. Bill Brooks said prison was not what was needed to help his client overcome this problem. But it took the jury only 65 minutes to reach a decision, guilty on both counts. Finally, as the judge considered the sentence, Hardy took the stand. He said he had had his problem all his life. He told of trying to get help as early as 1958, of talking to a priest who said if you can't afford a psychiatrist, then there's nothing else. Hardy at first said he could control his desires, but then changed his mind and explained, maybe I can't. Judge Osgood Williams sent Hardy to prison for 30 years. There was no mention of treatment. Frank Hardy becomes the second man to be sent to prison in connection with this so-called sex for money ring. A third man, John Wilcoxen, will go on trial on very similar charges in about 2 weeks. From the Fulton County Courthouse, Dennis Kauff, Action News.